Thank you for coming to check this out. This is Amanda Maysonet. You can find me at the Mom Life Planner. I am going to be showing you a tutorial of how I made a magnetic calendar for my fridge using MLGIRL Halloween Digitals. So I first want to show you that I did this double-sided because you may want to use this again, and what's better than one project? Doing two projects in one. So I decided, since this was double-sided paper, that I just take some of her stickers from her little bits box and put them at the top. So I did the tops, the days of the weeks. So I did that there. So for this, I don't have any cutting machines. I cut everything myself, and I printed everything myself. So I started out by papers from old past kits. I used washi. I put washi at the bottom and at the top. I printed some, the Halloween digital kit. I printed it out on some of the glitter paper, and I used double-sided sticky tape, and I stuck that down and I put them on, because when you put them through the laminator, if you don't glue them down or use tape to stick them down, it's going to move, and then you wasted the whole paper and the washi and just a lot of work. So that's why I made it double-sided. So this is more September, October. I'm doing this more for our October setup. So I already have this side set up. So I cut out the days and I laminated them, and I put little magnets on them. I didn't have to put magnets on the back of these papers for it to stay on the fridge, because I found that with these magnets and with the use of decorating the calendar with the die cuts, I didn't need to have magnets put on the back, and I didn't want to put it on the back because I wanted to make sure that I could use this as a double-sided calendar for another month. So I cut these out, and then I got just the magnets you can find them at your local craft store, and they already had tape on them, so I just was able to peel it off and stick them on. So we have that there, and then I cut out some of the die cuts and put the magnets on them as well. So, and this is all going on my fridge, but obviously it's for the video's sake, I have to do it here on this board. So you're just kind of dressing up your calendar. Got this here. So you can get all these digitals at mommylaydesigns.com, and you can use a code for 10% off. You can use my code. It is Amanda M10ML. These are so cute. I don't know if you guys saw, like with the glitter paper. And then this is going to be fun. I'm going to be able to surprise my daughter with these, with the calendar, and have them on the fridge. So all these, I didn't laminate everything because some of the small things I just didn't want to laminate. So you could kind of set it up however you want. And then it's also fun for them because you can just have this in the kitchen, and you know, they can play with it while you're cooking. So I also found this from a past kit, and I laminated it, and you can use the dry erase markers on here and use it as a check-off list. So I thought this was cute, laminated it, decorated it with washi, and put magnets on it. So you could either place it here for a previous month, or if there's nothing there, or just put it off to the side. And then I just had some extras. So I don't know if you could see those. Oh, and this was just a sticky note. So I laminated the sticky note. And then here you go. You've got your whole calendar, something quick and easy to do. You can do it by yourself, or if you have kids. It also can be a good learning activity because you can have your kids line up the numbers, even if they don't do it on the calendar and they just put it on the fridge. It's a good activity. And then I suggest, at first I thought I was gonna laminate the numbers in here, but then I didn't want to do that because Halloween never falls or doesn't fall on the same day every year. Monday is not always the first. For this year, for this October, it happens to be on the 1st. So you guys, I hope you liked my setup. And I will show a few pictures of it with it on my fridge. And if you have any questions, let me know, leave a comment. And I hope you like it, and I really love it. I'm really glad with how it turned out. So once again, you can get the digital kit at mommyladedesigns.com, and you can use my PR code, Amanda M10ML. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching.